Hey everyone! Hey guys, I am so excited for today's video. So as you can see, we're shooting on the top of my desk because I'm going to be sharing some creative projects with you guys, some sneak peeks and developments with you. So this is my Abracadabra Law of Attraction journal. This is 5 years old now, so I just had the 5-year anniversary of this. So I write manifestation journals, mindset journals, workbooks, and this was the first. So like I said, you can still get this on Amazon. And I wanted to take this idea, this form, this workbook form, and merge it with my new obsession, which is what I'm going to show you next, which is these December dailies. I don't know if you're familiar with the idea. So this is a 6x8 mini album on 2 rings, right? And I've done memory keeping like this in the past, or this is how I really do it for my family, because a lot of the work is done for you. Like, I love things to be beautiful and creative, but like I literally don't have the time or the brain power. So it comes with these like pocket pages, and you buy journal cards and you just plug them in, put your pictures in, and it's like done. It's cute, right? Let me move this out of the way. So there's a thing called December dailies. And I started this one. It's not finished, but I'm going to do a flip through just so you have an idea if you're not familiar with what's happening. So it comes, like I said, with these pocket pages, comes with some dashboards. So these are like left blank for you to put like collages or pockets. I'll show you that I've done pockets, which I like because then you can stick in lists. I love making lists. So here's one here. So I made this pocket, stick a few tags in, and then there's like a flip thing. So it's a little crafty, but like not super crafty. Here I just made a flap so that you could put like more pictures in and more journaling. I see here's a folder. Here's another flap. Okay, so this is me setting it up so that it's ready for when the pictures come or when the memories come to pass, and I'm just going in and plugging it in, and then I'm done, right? So this is so cute, right? How cute is this? Actually, I bought 2 sets of these inserts and the binder, and then I bought this. Okay, so that's the concept. You see where I'm going with this? So I wanted to take this concept and merge it with what I do. I write workbooks and tools that I use and habits and trackers and all that stuff. So I grabbed one of my binders and I started building this creative manifesting album. And I made pockets and I made it cute. I found I had this leftover kit that was like about nature and, you know, hiking and stuff like that. And I built out some dashboards. So I wanted to, what am I thinking? Sorry, my ADHD brain just like stroked out. I want to see I'm still recording. So my camera kept on recording. So I'm trying to do this before it like goes out on me. So if it does, thank you for watching. So I made this prompt list, creative manifesting ideas. So here's 20 ideas of ways that you can use this book and what you can include in it. So I love making lists. Lists are the backbone of my manifestation process. So like if you do gratitude lists, if you do wish lists, you have all these little places to stick them. And this is like creative, cathartic work merging with your manifestation work. It's just, I'm thrilled about this project, and I hope you are too. So like I said, I'll be making kits that will be available to purchase. Some journal pages. These will be two-sided. The kit is not going to be this nature theme. I haven't made a final decision about the theme of it, but it will be, the first kit released will be a 2026 vision board theme. It will have all these prompting ideas, and you have all that creative license to use it how you wish to use it. But what it will have is the prompt cards, journaling cards, the ideas, and it will have pocket pages, it will have journal pages, blank journal pages, and it will have dashboards. We're going to call these dashboards. Some of the dashboards will have pockets and flip outs and everything. More details will come out, and I will let you know as soon as I have them for you. I'm working on, some of the details of making it happen, but I just wanted to share this idea with you because I'm really excited about it, and I think it's beautiful and such a joy-filled way to embody your desires. And it's a place that I want to come to every night, right, and work on. So thank you for watching, and I hope this is something that you like too, and you can let me know, what your thoughts are for it. I'd love